everyone, my name is Nurfatina Aliabalkis, and this video will show what I have learned throughout this badminton course, so let's move. First one is low serve. The purpose of this service is to ensure the shuttle passes just above the net and line and the opponent's service box. This makes it harder for the opponent to attack. Next is a high serve. A high serve forces the opponent to the back of the court, making them look up and lose sight of their position. Because they have to move backward and use move body rotation to generate power, their return is often weakened. Plus, hitting the feathers instead of the cork first further reduces the impact of their shot. Next, let's move to a drive shot, which is a drive is a fast, flat attacking shot commonly used in doubles. In singles, it's effective for returning mid-height shots between chest and waist by pushing the shuttle to the sidelines. The main goal is to keep the pressure on your opponent and force a weak return. Next is a footwork. Footwork in badminton is specific and involves the movement of the entire body. When shots are delivered to different areas of the court, variation in speed, height, and angle require different types of movement. Start the movement, we need to do the split step. Next, we need to do approach, which means walk or run to hit the shuttle. Then we do the recovery by walk or run. So that's all from me, and thank you for watching.